Hello again, this is Greg, GT Retro 87 from the Cloud Forum. Right now I have a nice new shiny, oops, it's okay. Nice new shiny clean chip. Cleaned it up with denatured alcohol and simple green. First denatured alcohol, scrub it down with a soft bristle toothbrush. And then I wash it down with simple green. And then I clean it all off with water. That's it. Nothing crazy. Don't need deionized water or anything like that, really. It's just, seriously, it's just a it's just a sound chip. Nothing's gonna happen to it. So right now, I cleaned it off. I just want to test to see how the solder pads are doing right now. Now that I cleaned the electrolyte off, finally. I should have done it before, but it doesn't really matter, you know. It really depends on your case. This one, only one channel was quiet, so didn't really feel a need to have to do that. Let's just see how this works. Just want to see if I can add some extra solder to this, and then I could test for continuity. Alright, I'm not quite sure. I'm definitely gonna have to add Kino wire to repair the damage, so let's just see quick how my continuity is doing. I'm going to test all the pads, make sure that what their reading is. Okay, this is 0.5, awesome. This is 0.5. Okay, so these are pretty good. Okay, 0.5, and I'm testing all the pads that connected to each other. And I'm going to try the pins. Okay, 0.6, alright, good. This is connected to each other. Point 0.6, 0.7, alright, so this is, let's see, 0.4, awesome. And these two connected to each other. 0.6, 0.7, 0.5, okay. And this, I have to scrape this away. Sorry for my mess. Really not going to damage anything, really. People prefer to use paint thinner. I don't mind to use paint thinner, I just don't have it on me. But this does the job just fine. Wow, these traces are clean. We're lucky on this one. See what I mean? Okay, now I can see what I'm working with. Actually, no, I have to remove this. I should remove that. I mean, it just makes sense. Okay, party time. I don't care. I'm putting this on. I don't care. Let that soak. Let me scrape. that doesn't work, I wipe it down a little bit. I know denatured alcohol is flammable, but it's not going to set on fire if you do this. If you dry it down. What I'm going to do is I'll take my iron. Paint hates heat. I'm just going to rub it out. That's it. Done. Because what I want to do is I want to see these traces. Alright, this is going to be tough to get off. So maybe I'll just, if a majority stays on it, I'm just going to leave it alone. Alright, that's not coming off. Alright, at least it's not coming off. Now I know it's not really contaminated with electrolyte. I mean, paint thinner will take it off. Personally, I like to have it removed just so that I could see what I'm working with. But also when I lay down kynar wire, I lay it down across the the traces so I can simulate them and jump the pads. So let's just see where I am right now. Let's continue. I know those are connected, so let's just do a quick continuity test. Alright, so these two are connected, and I'm getting 1.2, 1.0, 0.9, 0.8. That should be okay. Let's see, this I don't know, but we'll see. Hold on. See if it picks up. Okay, it picks up. 0.8, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. Okay. It's probably fine, because this is the one I added solder to, but I'm still going to add a trace here. Before I continue, this goes, I believe, right here. Yeah, let's see, oh no. 0.8, okay, good. This I believe goes here. Okay, this is 1.6. That needs kynar wire. I'm gonna put it. I'd prefer to do that. I like to have less than an ohm, preferably. I guess it's just for me to be satisfied with it. At least I know it's fully connected. 0.3, 0.2. Okay. Now these two I think I connected, so this is okay. Let's see how the first pad is, because if the first pad is pretty good, the rest is going to be fine. 0.6, and this is here. 0.7, okay. Let's try these two pads. 0.9, okay, that's alright. .7, 0.8, okay, that's okay. This one goes here. Just gotta make sure you get a good connection sometimes, because you could get a bad reading if it's dirty. Just like the people say about the JAMA connector. If you're getting funny picture, but everything else looks clean on the board, but the JAMA edge is dirty, clean it, because then you'll get a good connection. Simple as that. Alright, 1.1, 1.0. Alright, I may add kynar wire here. Why not? Okay, this, I believe the pin's right here, so let's try. Awesome, 0.3, 0.4, good. This is right here. Please, okay. Let's see. 0.5, 0.6, alright. This is connected to these two, so I'll do this. So let's do this. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, okay. And then this. Whoop. 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, awesome. This is connected to these ground pins. Awesome, 7 is connected to here. These are the grounds. 0.4, awesome. Let me check this right here. 0.9, alright. This is connected to this, but these are not going to the capacitors, but I'd like to check them anyway. Awesome, 7. Now